Oh yeah, you're welcome back to the vlog.
Alex! Are you riding this weekend?
Yeah.
Are you racing at Minibike Champs? Are you being grumpy? Right, anyway, we've just got back from a little short stay in the Sussex caravan, so yeah. Just got back and it's Friday, so we're actually just rushing to get everything loaded up, packed away, and straight off to Kettering as it is. Not sure what round it is of the Minibike Champs, and yeah, I did actually film the last round, but I still haven't got round to editing it. So it might be uploaded at some point, but not too sure when. It might be out before this or after it, so I'm not 100% sure. But at the moment, just packing everything into the bag and getting ready to go. Just formatting some of my other clips and packing everything into the bag. But yeah, very excited for this weekend. Hopefully we'll be able to get a good position. Thought I'd pack light. Got 2 bags, so yeah, that's a bit filling. Got a bit too much, I think, maybe. But better to have too much than too less, to be fair. Let's go.
We're actually just heading off to Canon Services. It's going to be mental, honestly. It's going to be absolutely ballistic. Look! Yes! What? It's a canoe. Get in there. I won't even have one. Get in. And they've got chopsticks for you.
Anyway, just got back in from the Canon Services. Got myself a McSpicy. So literally just sat here now waiting for Alex and Senna to get back with their I don't actually know what they got, but yeah, just waiting for them to come back, then we'll head off on the journey again. And park the van there.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's...
So just arrived now at Kettering. Just walking the track. It was actually taken away. They actually took all the track away, the council did. So they got it back, but my camera's gonna be very windy because my mic snapped again. But yeah, it's good. Wow, what an epic car that is. Dan, do you think that's well cool? Oh.
Is that a tractor?
Tomorrow.
Did you forget your bike, San? Yeah, you did.
Alex, you look fucked.
That's a trick, it's 110.
Alex can't even get the forks on far enough.
Senna, you make out you're a good mechanic and everything. What's happened to your back brake?
I've taken off because I'm a good mechanic.
Huh?
I've taken off because I'm a good mechanic.
Yeah, but why have you taken it off? Why?
I need to adjust it.
But I thought you didn't have a back brake.
Yeah, that's why I'm adjusting it. Quite a nice minute going.
Cool, that's a good peak.
Yeah, I know.
How much did you pay for that?
I don't know, but I've crashed a lot on this helmet. But my dad wants me to bang my head and once more in it.
One more crash
and
then.
I probably will die.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Got all of my kit out, ready to get changed. But yeah. Come on, Alex, show us your collarbone.
When I'm undressed.
Cool. Well, that looks nice.
Nice, isn't it? Number 40.
Oh.
Tripping up.
Oh, that looked horrible from that angle then. Oh yeah, that's what happens when somebody kicks his front wheel. Took his made his arm all funny. Broken and dislocated. Senna got 3rd, I got 4th, Alex got about 10th. Didn't mind qualifying, but the track's alright. It's not the best. I think it's meant to be raining, so just waiting for the rain to come down in Kettering at Champs Parks. About to head out now for my race. Just going to get the GoPro, I think attached if I can find it. Then yeah, head out for the first race of the day. at the moment, just cleaning my bike, getting all the mud off. Didn't ride the best, but I head out for the next race, ride a bit better, and I actually put some tear-offs on, because as you can probably see on the GoPro, it was so wet and muddy around some of the corners, but yeah, it's getting a bit dusty and dry now. Oh yeah, I got 4th. Senna did good, Senna got 2nd, so he's in, he could get prize money today. So yeah, just cleaning my bike. Just heading over now to watch George's race, and I'm out straight after. Trying to find where James, Senna and Alex is. He was going down the start with the wind in his hair, but he had a little rubber back. Go on, oh, take it off, you can take it off. So that race was horrendous. Yeah, I'm just not liking the track really. Not yeah, don't really like this track. Might be a bit better now. Maybe it will get a bit better later on when it gets more rutty and stuff. I've got one more race for the day, and that'll be it for today's racing. Then yeah, I haven't got much to say. Just rode very, very bad in that race. Just can't find any pace. So yes. Time to do my bike. Time just to check my bike and watch Alex pose at himself. Right, heading out to the last race. It's either going to be a dust pit or a wet one. Right, did terrible in that race, did terrible in my race. But at the moment, we're just about to head off to go-karting. Gonna be good fun, gonna be a good bit of crack. So yeah, me, Dan, James, Alex, Senna and George are heading off, so yeah. Guys, the go-karting is shut down. Don't know why, it was quite good, but I think we might go trampolining, but I don't think I'll be able to bring my GoPro in. Can you go on Daniel Lee? Be careful. 5-second board. Go! Thank God I've got this brick sauce. Oh! Coming, how was qualifying? Not bad, got third. Having a little break, are you? Cooling down my Harry balls. Oh, that looks well nice. That looks well nice. So just had a Weatherspoons and I feel fat and sick. I feel very, very, very full. Rockingham race circuit. It's bedtime. It's bedtime, guys. Right, just about to head to bed. So we'll see you in the morning. We don't mess about in here. We're going to bed and we're going to get up and early and we're going to get awesome.
This one no one watches your vlogs.
Hey guys, guys, look. It's going to get lit. Alright, anyway, it's morning, next day. And yes, we've got Harry Lee's KLX 110. It's honestly the trickiest 110 you'll see. Most expensive, 125. It was a KLX 110. But it's had everything done to it. It's got KTM 65 forks, looks factory, Husky front end on it, ton front wheels, extra clamps. It's got everything that you want for it. It was originally a KLX 110. It's got the KLX 110 frame, BBR swinging arm, BBR shot up. There's so many stuff to keep listing onto this, but yeah. And it's got a Takagawa clutch kit because it was a 110, but yeah. Look at it. So this bike's been built by Diamond Minis, and they've done an amazing job on it. It looks insane. Best pit bike parts. It's little Harry Lee's bike, little Raj's bike.
Okay, put Senna.
Where's Senna's now?
Yeah.
No, it's mine.
Senna!
Oh yeah, it's his.
Mine. Mine, isn't it?
Alright, just about to head down now for qualifying, as 110s have just gone out. Hi everyone.
Hi. Alright, geezer.
After qualifying I actually did very, very bad. But yeah, my brake was actually locked on, so it was binding while going around, and yeah, wasn't the best, so must have made a bit of a difference when that was happening. But yeah, heading out for the first race in a bit. I haven't actually filmed in between, so sorry about that, guys. I'm dreadfully sorry. But yeah, gonna put the GoPro on hopefully for this race, and head out and hopefully have a good time riding. I did alright, got about 7th, so yeah, just put it in the 50s. Why are you pointing at me?
Stop my modelling career.
It's aren't we, Daniel?
Here we are, I'm about to smoke you there.
Just about to go, so. race, it ended quite far. No, the last strut I got taken out over the finish line, so that I did have quite a big crash in the end. I had to throw my GoPro off because it was getting stuck in my chain, but the guy took me out. He took me out over the finish line. Don't know why really, it was a stupid pass what he did. Then he was moaning about other people were block passing him yesterday, so he was moaning about other people doing it, then did the exact same thing to me, but yeah, did actually bend all my bars, bent all my clamps, bent my front wheel, so now I'm having to head into the last race with a completely bent bike. Heading out now for the last race. Hopefully I remember to stand up and actually ride good, but yeah. Hi Harry.
Hi, where do you go?
Hi James. Hi Dan. Another weekend done and dusted with racing. Didn't do too well, but Senna rode the best. Senna was leading one of the races. How many races did you lead?
I didn't win any.
No, how many were you were leading?
All your stuff is coming out here. No, a few seconds for about half the race. And then I got past, and then a fourth, a fifth.
So good racing. Good racing by Senna, terrible racing by me. So guys, it is now the end of the Minibike Champs vlog, and I would like to apologise of how little I've been uploading recently. It's been about probably nearly a month. I've just been enjoying summer. That's all I've been doing. I've been enjoying summer. I haven't vlogged at all. I did film a video the other week of me going to Witten Mill, pitbike supermoto. Had an awesome time there, so I'll definitely be doing some more of them, but the vlog will hopefully be up on the weekend, next weekend, hopefully, if I don't slack anymore. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get some more vlogs up and going again. I just need to get back motivated into it and hopefully be uploading more again. So yeah, really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog at Minibike Champs. Sorry it's so late, and sorry about my riding skills. And if you're watching it to the end of the vlog, comment Daphne.